Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my new deep conditioning routine for the winter especially. My hair is super dry during this winter season and I have the best deep conditioning mask that I've been using, and it is from Briogeo. And I'm going to go ahead and talk about that, but first I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to wash my hair first with shampoo because I noticed that I get the best deep conditioning results when I really wash my hair properly, get rid of all that product buildup. So once I go ahead and rinse off the shampoo, I don't put on any rinse out conditioner. I go straight ahead with the deep conditioning mask, and this is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And it's perfect because it's deep conditioning. It has the moisture, but it has a small slight of protein in there where it kind of gives you that little bit of strength, but you don't really feel it too much. But it's perfect because especially when you're doing more protective styles in the winter, which I do, you're stretching out your hair more often, you're gonna need a little bit more strength in your hair and to have that really good protein moisture balance. So I go ahead by sectioning off my hair in small sections or even medium sections and apply the deep conditioning mask. And this mask is really great for detangling as well. So you don't need to worry about using a rinse out conditioner because you don't really need one. And then I go ahead and apply it. And I love the consistency of the mask because it absorbs into my hair so easily. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin as well. And yeah, I just go ahead and I use my fingers mostly. I don't really use a comb too much. And I just go ahead and yeah, just rake it in, smooth it in, make sure that my hair absorbs as much product as possible. And I love how I can take bigger sections with this deep conditioning mask because it distributes throughout the hair really easily, and you really are able to coat the hair really quickly because it's not too thick. And yeah, so I always make sure to, if I can, to slightly dampen my hair with warm water. That also allows me to absorb that deep conditioning mask a lot better. But because the consistency is perfect, you don't really have to go ahead and re-wet your hair too often because again, it provides that moisture while you're applying it to your hair. And once I'm done applying the deep conditioner throughout my hair, I go ahead and pin it up in sections with clips, or I will put my hair in twists, and then I will add a plastic cap over my head and either sit underneath the hooded dryer for about an hour or so, or I'll just, put a beanie on top of the plastic cap and I'll go run some errands, which I actually did today, because that will allow my scalp to get some heat throughout my hair, and that will also help raise the cuticles to absorb the deep conditioner a lot better. So a few hours later, I did take off the beanie to show you guys what my hair looks like. It feels amazing. It feels really moisturized and it has some of the strength in there as well, but your hair doesn't feel hard or anything like that. So if you are protein sensitive, you won't have to worry about this at all. But I find that it's easier to maintain a proper protein moisture balance if you are using deep conditioners like this, so that you don't have to always go back and forth with a protein mask and a deep conditioning mask. And my curls are intact. They feel really fluffy and soft. The curl definitions are popping like crazy. And I went ahead and blow dried my hair and straightened it, and I had one of the best results as well. I usually don't get amazing results like this, but it's really good for prepping your hair for any type of protective style or flat ironing or even a wash and go, you guys. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this mask if you've ever tried it? And if you guys are interested in purchasing this deep conditioning mask, go ahead and check out the description box below because I do have a discount code for you guys. Let me know what is your guys' best deep conditioning routine, especially for the winter. What is your guys' favorite deep conditioning masks and protein masks? And see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share if you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.